Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther, and today we're going to check it out how to create this halftone ring in Illustrator. If there's a bubbling art director in you, filled with ideas and searching for the right tools and techniques to build remarkable brand identities, then you've come to the right place. Linus Luhoff is an art director in brand identity, and he will teach you about art direction in brand visuals. Understand the role of an art director, see their role in the design industry and what parts they play within the creative team. See how to analyze a client's brief using a case study and learn how to ask the right questions to steer your research. Get to work on your brand project by going through all the creative tools that shapes your visual communication, working on the purpose of each. Sketch your logo, choose a color palette, search for typography, and work through each visual element strategically. If you want to learn more, click the link in the description and join the course. Now let's get back to our tutorial. First step, make sure that you're on the stroke. I'm going to select the circle, the ellipse tool, press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a circle. I got to go to the stroke options, increase the stroke thickness, some around 4.3, something like that. From here, I'm going to press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F. Press and hold Shift plus Alt and scale it down, some around here. I'm going to select both, go to Object, Blend, and Make. I'm going to double click here on the blend option and I'm going to select specify steps, type in 6, click OK. Go to Object, go to Expand, click OK. From here, I'm going to select the direct selection tool, select this section where are these anchor points. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 anchor points here plus 8. And we're going to click on cut path at selection anchor point. Click, and this way is going to cut it in half. I'm going to select the selection tool. I'm going to right click on group and I'm going to select this bottom part here and increase the stroke. So right now it's on 4, I can go up to 8, 9, I'm actually gonna go to 12 to 13. 13 is good, I'm gonna increase it here also to, I don't know, 7 maybe. And I'm gonna select these 4, the thin and thick, I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna group, press and hold Shift, and I'm gonna rotate it. I think it's 180 degrees actually. I'm gonna select all of it, right click, group, press and hold Shift, rotate it a little. And this is how we create this halftone abstract circle in Illustrator. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye-bye.